Okay, maybe it was working. I just wasn't looking. But that one worked. And since I'm here, we might as well check out the abandoned Burger King. This is, if you're new to the channel, I made a video back in 2022 where the Burger King just got abandoned. But now, I'm back in 2023 to make a return video of the abandoned Burger King. And apparently this is abandoned too. I remember when it was a car dealership, but I don't think it is anymore because it says for sale. You see over here, that's abandoned too. Damn. This is weird though. They have all these chairs here. And the seat. Yep. Completely empty. A little hard to see because it's kind of foggy, but in any case, we're gonna head up to the abandoned Burger King. Oh wow! So this is actually connected to the repair shop in Hopewell. And the repair shop that was in Hopewell, where we were at, was actually this, all of that formed into one. There's a bathroom up here. I didn't know that. So this is actually connected to the auto repair shop that I did a couple weeks ago in March. Huh. So let's go over to the abandoned Burger King now. I'll see you there.